In this video, I will teach you how to tie a shear lashing. Please like and subscribe my video. First, tie a clove hitch on the first pole. Secure and tighten the clove hitch. Make round around both poles. Tighten after every round. This is very important. Make sure you do not overlap two. After enough rounds to secure both poles, start frapping between both poles. Do so by making round around the primary rounds. Pass the rope between poles and over the primary rounds. Likewise, tighten every round and do no overlap. This is very important, as if it is not tightened or is overlap, the shear lashing will be very loose. End of with clove hitch on the other pole. Make sure you tighten the clove hitch. Here you go, shear lashing. Thank you and hope you like the video.